Hello, my name is Alicia Ferguson and I'm the co-founder of BK Yoga Club. Today's flow is entitled, I bend so I do not break. Let's go. In yoga and in life, there's this constant push and pull. And so today we really want to find the ease in challenging postures and even rediscovering new boundaries on and off the mat. So let's get started. I want you to make your way all the way down on your backs to a comfortable position. And just make any little adjustments you need to that make you feel comfortable here. And then I want you to bring your knees into your chest. And you can allow the knees to splay out nice and wide here. And your hands could be on your shins, or you can let them hang heavy. Whatever feels comfortable for you. But let's just take 2 deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling. Inhale and exhale. With every breath, we want the lower back to press more deep into the mat. We want the knees to create a little bit more space and just begin to allow the belly to be in between them. Last one, inhale and exhale. Draw the knees together, and I want you to take both of the knees over to the right side, coming into a supine twist. So you can open your arms out nice and big like a T shape. Take your gaze over to the left. You can even cactus the arms if that feels more comfortable for your shoulders. Inhaling and exhaling. Take the knees back to center and then tip them all the way over to the left and take your gaze this time towards the right side of the room. And if you want even a deeper stretch here, you can place one hand over top of that right knee, pressing it towards the earth. Last breath, inhale and exhale. Beautiful. And as you bring your knees back to center, wrap both your arms around your shins, pick up the forehead, bring it to the knees, squeeze everything in like a big old ball. Beautiful. And then as you exhale, releasing back down to the earth, I want you to cross at your ankles and rock yourself up, and we will make our way onto all fours. And so spread the fingers nice and wide here, making that connection to the earth. Allow the knees to be underneath of your hips. And we're going to drop into our cat-cow. So drop the belly, open up through the chest, nice and bright here. Crown of the head reaches up. And then on that exhale, press into the fingers, ground into the mat, scoop out the lower belly. And just float through this 2 more times. Inhaling as you open up through the chest and the heart. And then exhaling as you round the body, tucking the tailbone in. And just take any other little movements that feel good here, right? Wind the waist if you need to. S-shape the spine. Sometimes it feels good to even turn the fingers in towards my knees to get a little deeper stretch. Whatever you need to do, take that. Beautiful. And then we'll find stillness with a flat back position. And then I want you to take that right foot and just bring it all the way through to the top of your mat between your 2 hands here. And so once you make that rooted connection here, interlace the fingers, right and left, onto the top of that right thigh, and then just shift forward. So push the pelvis forward, almost as if you're pressing into a wall. Fingers are interlaced. Press down into the meaty part of the thigh, the thick part of the thigh. Roll the shoulders back here. Take a big inhale. And exhale. Try that again. Inhale, grow long through the spine. Heart reaches up towards the heavens. And then as you exhale, push the hips or shift the hips a little bit further. And maybe even walk up your toes if that feels better for you. Beautiful. And then plant both the fingers. Step that right foot back. And let's float through one cat-cow. Inhale the heart forward. And then exhale around the spine. Beautiful. And then we're going to bring that left foot between our 2 front hands here. So roll the shoulders back, keep the heart nice and open. light on the fingertips. And then when you get ready to lift up and rise, interlace your fingers here, pressing it onto the meaty part of your thigh. Roll the shoulders back, heart is lifted, inhale. And then as we exhale, again, shift the hips a little bit further forward. So it's almost like you're pressing the hips into a wall. And again, walk the toes up. You want to make sure the ankle and the knee are in alignment. Take a big breath here, inhale. And then exhale, let it go. Awesome. And then bring the hands back down to the earth. Step that left foot back. Curl the toes under. And we're going to come into a plank position. So you can even do a plank modification if you need to, just coming onto the knees, or you can pick the knees all the way up. But tighten those glutes, bring the navel into the spine, press firm into the earth here, building a little bit of heat in the belly. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. And as you exhale, shift back into your downward facing dog and just pedal out the feet, pedal out the toes. Yeah, let the head hang. Find a nice long spine here. Stretch it out. Deep breath, inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Inhale that right leg nice and long behind you, pressing towards the back of the room. And then bring that left foot between your two front hands. Drop that left knee down. Interlace the fingers on top of the right thigh again. Roll the shoulders back. Inhale. And then exhale. This time I want you to take your right hand and reach it towards the back of your left knee, or you can even wrap it all the way around your waist, taking that left hand to the outside of the right knee, and allow the body, allow the torso to twist towards the right. So inhale, find length. And as you exhale, allow the core, allow your organs to twist you to the right side of the room. Last breath here, inhale. Exhale on the twist. Beautiful, unravel yourself, unravel. Pick that left knee up, straighten both your legs, fold forward here. Beautiful. Then take that left knee, left foot, top of the mat. I want you to sink into both of your knees here, coming into a chair pose. So hips are low, fingertips are lifted, gaze goes up to the sky. Really root down to the feet, weight is in the heels, and allow the shoulders to release from the ears. Find a softness here. One more big breath, inhale. And then as you exhale, fall forward here. Beautiful. We're going to come right back into that chair pose. I want you to bend the knees again, sink those hips nice and low. Inhale, coming all the way up. And so we're going to try this chair flow here. So I want you to exhale, belly to the thighs. Allow the hands to hang heavy towards the earth. And then inhale nice and big, coming right back into your chair pose. So we're going to do this 3 times. Beautiful. Inhale. Exhale, fall forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And then exhale. Nice. Straighten the legs here. Forward fold. And then plant the palms. Step the left foot back. Step the right foot back. Come into a baby cobra or chaturanga. Inhale your upward facing dog. And we'll all meet in our downward facing dog. So just take a deep breath here. Inhaling. And exhaling. Beautiful. All right, inhale that left leg nice and long, pressing towards the back of the room here. And then take the left foot between your 2 front hands. Drop the right knee down, uncurl the toes. And then again, interlace your fingers, coming to the meaty part of that left thigh. And shift the hips forward, roll the shoulders back. Heart is lifted. Inhale. And exhale. All right, so we want to find softness in the postures that sometimes feel difficult. And anytime we work on the hip zone, it can become very challenging. All right, so allow ourselves to twist this time. I want you to take that left hand and you can wrap it around, coming towards your right hip. Take this right hand, bring it to the outside of that left knee, and then inhale, find length. And as you exhale, allow the body to twist towards the left side of the room. Inhale, and then exhale, twist. Again, keep the hips pushing forward. And then uncurl it all, shake it out, and then bring both of your hands to frame your front foot. Pick up that right knee, straighten that left leg, fall forward here, let the neck hang heavy, inhale, and then exhale, let it go, beautiful. Step that right foot to the top of the mat, Come right into that chair pose. Hips are low, knees are bent, heart is lifted. All the weight's in the heels here. I can almost wiggle my fingers and I can wiggle my toes. Beautiful. Let's do our chair flow again. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale, exhale. Straighten the legs here. Shake it out if you need to. Beautiful. And then come right back into our chair pose. So bend those knees, keep the hips nice and low. I want you to bring your hands to prayer. Thumbs come to your heart center here. Take that left elbow, come to the outside of the right knee, coming into a chair twist here. Beautiful. Inhale, keep those hips nice and low still, allowing the twist to come from your core. Deep breath. Whew. All right, let's have some fun here. Come onto the ball of that left foot. Yep, you heard it, the ball of that left foot. And then take your left foot all the way to the back of the mat. Shoot it back. I fell. Hopefully you didn't. Beautiful. Keep it nice and strong through that body. Beautiful. Draw the inner thighs together. Pressing the elbow into the thigh to give you a little more stability. Beautiful. And then I want you to take your right hand, reach it towards the back of the room. Left hand comes all the way up. So we're bowing here. Beautiful. Opening up the heart. And then we're going to windmill it out. So that right hand comes forward, left arm comes back, coming into our warrior two. And so just find your alignment here. So you want that front heel to be aligned with the back arch of that back foot. Sinking nice and low. Allow the body to root. Allow the thighs, allow the feet to root into the mat here. Flip your front palm, shift back, opening the heart. Beautiful. And then windmill the arms all the way down, frame your front foot. Step the right foot back to your plank. Float through your vinyasa. Lowering down chaturanga or baby cobra. But we will all meet in our downward dog. So you always have a choice here. And you don't even need to float through your vinyasas. They're just to build heat. So you can always just meet in downward dog. Beautiful. Take another breath. Inhale. And then exhale, come to the balls of the feet. Bend those knees. Step, jump, hop. Top of the mat. We're going to come right into our chair pose. Hips stay low. Knees are bent. Arms are lifted up to the sky. Beautiful. Inhale. And exhale. Bring the hands to prayer. Thumbs at your heart center. This time take that right elbow to the outside of the left knee. Beautiful. And allow the knee to press into the meaty part of your thigh. Hips are low. And open up wide through the chest here. Beautiful. And if you want to take a variation, open up both your arms like a big old airplane. See how that feels. Sometimes you want a deeper stretch through the shoulders. Beautiful. All right, we're going to have fun. Come to the ball of that right foot. You heard me right. And we're going to take that right foot all the way to the back of the mat. Go slow if you need to. Find your pace. Beautiful. And keep those hips nice and low. Heart and core, torso still twisted to the left side of the room. One more breath. Inhale. Beautiful. This time take that left hand towards the back of the room. Right arm reaches up here. Beautiful. Keeping the twist as we're coming to this high lunge variation. And let's open it up to our warrior two. Left arm forward, right arm comes back. Find your feet placement and adjustment. Keep the bottom body nice and heavy to the earth. Inhale. And exhale. Reverse your warrior. Float it all the way back. Open and stretch. And then we're going to windmill the arms all the way down. Frame that front foot. Step that left foot all the way back to your plank. And then again, yogi's choice. Float through your vinyasa. Or just meet me in downward dog. Whatever you want to do today. Listening to our body. Being attuned to its needs. And being open for discovery. Beautiful. I want you to release the knees down here. Take them nice and wide. And allow the belly to fall between your thighs. Taking a child's pose. 2 breaths. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. And then walk your hands to the knees. Swing your legs all the way in front of you. Beautiful. And then I want you to straighten the legs. Give them a nice little shake. Thanking them for all the work balancing, all the twisting that they allowed us to do today. And then take this right foot to the outside of the left thigh. We're going to inhale that left arm all the way up to the sky. Find nice length through the spine, crown of the head reaches up. Beautiful. And as you exhale, hook around that knee and allow your body to twist open to the right side of the room. Right arm reaches back. Or if you like an extra stretch, you can take that right hand and see if you can bring it around towards your left thigh. So I'm actually hooking my right fingers into the crease of my left thigh. So just allowing for a deeper twist here. Inhale, find length. And then exhale, twist a little deeper if you can. All right, unravel everything that you got and extend that right leg forward. Shake it out. And let's do that on the left side. So take your left foot to the outside of that right thigh. Beautiful. This time we're going to use our right arm to go all the way up to the heavens here. Inhale, big breath. And then as we exhale, hook it around the knee and allow the left arm to reach towards the back of the room. Or if you want a deeper stretch this time, take the left fingertips, wrap it around to the inside of the right hip crease. And so you might be able to see it a little bit better here. But keep rolling that left shoulder back. Take your gaze towards the back of the room if you can. Inhale, find length, grow tall. And then exhale, twist a little deeper if you got it. Oh, let the body, let the spine wring itself out. And then unravel everything. Come back to center. And we're going to take it all the way down. So I want you to bring the soles of your feet together. And come onto your elbows. Yep, come into your elbows. And so this is almost like a variation of fish pose. You can roll the shoulders back, keep the heart lifted, and let the neck hang back gently. Or if this is not soothing for you, you can take it all the way down. So you always have options here. And if you're taking it all the way down, place one hand on the belly, place one hand on the heart or the chest. Just take a moment of gratitude here, sending your body lots of love, lots of energy, and thanking it for everything that it does. Inhaling and exhaling. And just taking a moment now to even come back to our theme, our intention for the class. I bend, but I do not break. What areas of our life are we channeling that to today? I bend, but I do not break in my relationships. I bend, but I do not break in my mind. I bend, but I do not break with my spirit. And begin to extend the legs nice and long, coming into your final resting pose, your Shavasana. Allow the thighs to roll over, allow the body to feel heavy here. Beautiful. And just let the breath begin to flow through you naturally. So no longer forcing any inhales or exhales, just letting it flow. And I invite you to hang out here for a few moments. And if you must go, bring both of your hands to prayer. Let's place our thumbs at our heart center today. I bend, but I do not break. See you next time.